hit an officer.
You
Let it go.
touched
Go to
me.
jail. Stop resisting.
I'm not. You touched me first.
Stick me, poke me, hurt me?
No.
No? You have on a sports bra or anything or no?
Is there anything in your person that shouldn't be in jail? Because you don't get criminal charges.
It will turn into a felony.
Okay.
I was going to.
I understand.
A missed flight, a boarding pass marked invalid, one decision that turned a misdemeanor into a felony.
Go ahead.
Telephone, the speak where we make announcements, and then now she went to federal.
I was trying to go on my flight.
You're totally too drunk, and they're not going to let you fly. Are you guys going to rebook her or what?
Already rebooked her.
But
Okay,
they gave
so what-
me
when's your-
me a flight.
Yeah. Tomorrow at noon? Okay. Come on, let's go back up
They
front.
didn't give me a good one.
That's the only flight we have available.
No, give me my.
It's not what you want.
You ready? You threw it away.
No, because it said invalid.
That's your
Can you give me
reservation.
another one, please?
I'll give you another one, man.
For the boarding pass?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you give me another one because
He's getting
said
it. He's getting it.
invalid.
He's getting it. He's getting it.
You
I
think
don't know
that's-
why they come here and get drunk
you
like
think
this
that's
and
her
think they
bag?
can
I'm
fly.
You think that's her
Girl, I
bag
can
that's
smell it
in
from
there?
here.
No, that's
I drank.
Yes, you did.
I did drink, but I was just going to work.
Yeah. Well, you should have waited till you got there and get towed up.
It's too easy.
173.
I can smell it from here. And they don't want you on the plane with it. So that's why.
173, 10 point 27.
Okay. Well, we're going to go back down this way.
These motherfuckers should have let me sleep on the plane.
It don't work that way.
It works. It works that way. It works that way. Do you not give wine? Do you not give wine and liquor on the
Here you
plane?
go.
Do you not give wine and liquor on the plane?
Here we go.
And when the mother gets drunk on the plane, do you not you kick them off the plane? What? You don't open up the plane and kick them out? What? Oh. Let me, coach. Oh, let me look. You didn't get drunk. Oh, let me kick them off the plane.
Hey.
What's your language, please?
That's it. No, what? What do you mean no? That's for tomorrow.
No, it says not valid for travel. And it says passenger incinerated. No,
This is the new one.
No, it's not.
What time is your flight for tomorrow?
It says not valid.
12:10. 12:10. Economy. 12:10.
This is not valid for travel.
Hey,
I need it. No. My son is graduating, you know.
hey, come here.
I can read.
Can you explain to her this ticket?
It says not valid for travel.
That's a reservation, so tomorrow at noon, she has to go to the ticket counter.
Uh-huh.
With that information, they print the boarding pass.
Okay.
Okay.
That's what it is.
That
Okay,
makes
you
sense.
got it now? All right.
Okay. With my
That's- we
ID
got
and
it.
everything else?
All right.
Thank you.
This way. You're gonna go to jail
Why?
for disorderly conduct. Let's go.
What?
What? Let's go.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Keep moving.
So I'm going to jail for disorderly conduct. Right. You know what? Let's do it. Let's think.
Okay. Perfect. Keep moving. Keep moving.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
traffic.
Well, here's the deal. We got the
I didn't
airport.
do anything wrong.
Listen to me, man. We got the airport operations coming out, and they're going to ask you to leave. All right. If you
So
fail
I'm
to
leaving,
leave,
but I'm not going to
All right.
jail.
all right.
June 20th, 2025 Orlando International Airport. A passenger too intoxicated to board. Already rebooked for the following day. When officers moved to escort her out, she struck one of them. Charged with disorderly conduct and battery on a law enforcement officer, a third-degree felony. Here is the legal lesson. The moment you raise your hand against an officer, a misdemeanor becomes a felony. Compliance is not agreement. Challenge it in court, not on the street. You cannot undo a battery charge.
Let's go.
Don't touch me! Oh! Oh! I didn't do anything!
You hit an officer.
You
Way to go.
touched
Going to
me.
jail. Stop resisting.
I'm not.
I got the leg.
You touched me first. Are you really? Can I get my glasses? I can't see anything.
I'll get him.
Can I get my glasses? Can I get
You don't
my
hit an
glasses?
officer.
Can I get my glasses? I can't see anything. Oh, you really, guys?
Yep, really.
Can I get my glasses? For giving you
Stop. Stop.
Can you not do that?
Roll to your side, and we're going to help you up, okay?
Can you not do that? That was not
Roll
nice.
to your right side.
You hit me first. You hit me first.
Bring your knees up.
You hit me first.
Come on. Come on. Bring your knees up.
You hit me first.
There we go.
You got it.
You hit
Come
me
on.
first. You have the cam on, right?
Get your shoe.
You have the cam on, right?
Yep. You got one more. You got one more.
First.
Can you pay somebody?
At least it's not Polk County. Can you put this? Can you put this?
Yeah, we'll get it.
Oh, that's not nice.
My car's back at 2:30.
That's not nice.
Grab one of these cars?
There's so much criminals out here.
Yeah, I do.
There's so
Let's go to
many.
the elevator.
There's so many criminals.
I know, right? You're doing good. Come on.
How are you? Oh. I didn't do anything to you. You hit me first.
You on level 2?
Yes, I'm on
Push
2.
my hand.
Hit the button.
It's okay. You wanted to arrest me. It's fine.
You had every opportunity.
It's fine. It's fine. I just did this to you.
Stop.
Here we go. Come on.
Fine. I am not a mean person. Why you?
Face the wall. Thank you.
Yeah, because Sam's car's the only one here. We're doing a level 2 and that's quarter out. So we're coming down the elevator right now.
Fine. It hurts.
Stop.
It hurts.
Yeah. Well, stop moving. Stop moving.
When we get there, we'll
Quit trying to
adjust
stop
it.
moving. Stop moving.
Why are you bending my hand?
I'm not bending your hand.
Stop
Yes,
moving.
you are.
Stop
Stay
moving.
compliant. Quit trying to scratch us.
You have the camera?
Over here.
Why are you bending it? I am not even resisting anything. What the f is wrong with you? Why are you so... Do you hate women? Do you hate women? Do you guys hate women? I didn't even do anything wrong. Ow, I just want to put my hands down.
We're going to change it in just a minute.
Oh. Let me put my hands down. What is wrong with you? I didn't do anything wrong to you. You know what? I'll let you bend my hand. Go ahead, bend it. Break it. Go ahead, break it. Break it. Break it. So I can sue you. Because I didn't do anything wrong. I will sue you. I will sue you. I have money. I'm going to sue you. You don't even know who.
10-20.
Right? Oh, I don't know how much money I have. Yeah, go ahead. What's your name?
Be in the report.
What's your name?
Keep moving. We're almost there.
I'll get around the police report. I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue the shit out of you. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything wrong.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sue you both.
Yeah, we got
Right
this.
up against the car. Put it right here.
Can you let my arms go?
You got a fight?
No,
You got a
I
scratch?
didn't. I didn't fight from the.
Just please stop.
I didn't.
If she doesn't stop, we'll just cut the bag.
I
You want your
never.
bag cut?
No. I was just holding my bag.
Well, we're gonna take it off here in a second.
Do we want to slip another set of cuffs on one at a
I
time?
never saw.
Okay. You're doing great. Just stay right here.
This way, Mom.
Let the bags go. Do you have anything on you that can stick me, poke me, hurt me?
No.
No? You have on a sports bra or anything, or no?
Is there anything in your person that shouldn't be in jail because you don't like getting those charges?
It will turn into a felony.
Okay.
I was going.
I understand. I just need to make sure I don't want to get another charge.
Okay. I need to turn around just a little bit right here. No, no drugs or anything, right?
No.
We're put her in. We're good? Go ahead and get her. Have a seat. Gotta put your legs up. Go in there.
I know.
Okay.
Officers followed the continuum correctly. Verbal warnings first. OC spray threatened. Never deployed. One gap, no female officer for the pre-booking search. A procedural vulnerability on camera. She came here for her son's graduation. She left with a felony and a permanent airport ban. The law protects the person who complies and challenges later, not the person resisting on the ground. Know the difference. It determines whether you walk out or get carried out.